Introducing the Amkette Evo Gamepad Pro 4 with instant play that lets you play virtually any game on your iPhone or Android smartphone. But first, let's take a look at the box. Along with the Evo Gamepad Pro 4, we get the user guide and this very handy quick start guide that will help you start playing any game right away. Ergonomic design lets you play like a pro. Gamepad comes with 12 action button, precision analog sticks and triggers, and 2 special quick access back buttons that can really help you in intense gameplay situations. The Evo Gamepad comes preloaded with 4 popular games to get you started. The Evo Gamepad Pro 4 has support for HID mode on Android for officially supported games like Asphalt 8 and Fortnite. The Evo Gamepad comes with Bluetooth 4.0 and works with iPhones and Android smartphones. The phone holder supports any phone, even large 6-inch displays. With 12 hours of playtime, the gamepad is always ready for action. Before you rush out to buy this, there are some phones unfortunately that don't support instant play.
Somewhere to go? You're all charged up, but your phone isn't. Don't panic. What's the worst that can happen? Taxi! Hello?
Hey, yeah, where are you?
Oh! Uh-oh.
Oh.
Oh boy. Let's try it again. Quick charge technology charges up to 85% faster than standard chargers. Anker uses this technology to create the world's fastest phone and tablet chargers, so you can stop worrying about your battery and start enjoying the good things in life. Anker. Charge fast, live more.